How lovely all of the dentists have been, how perfect my teeth look now, and everything's been perfect. Hi, I'm Shannon. I'm from England. I'm here to have my teeth done. I had composite bonding in the past. I really loved them, but I also needed some dental work being done. I was upset with the composite keep breaking all of the time. I'd had them fixed many times, so I decided that crowns would be better because they are stronger and I could still have a perfect smile. I was recommended by my mum and my dad, who also have full mouth of crowns done here. They was recommended from friends who were also recommended from friends. It's all through recommendation, because now I can recommend to my friends because they will trust, because they will see my teeth and they trust that I've been through the process. My mum's been through the process, her friends have been through the process, and it was all very easy. And when I first looked in the mirror when the crowns had been placed in my mouth, I was shocked because I didn't look any different to how I originally looked with my composite, which is exactly what I'd asked for. So I wanted my teeth to look exactly how they looked with composite bonding, but with crowns, so they last and they're stronger, and that's exactly how they looked. That was perfect. So it's exactly what I wanted in terms of when I looked into the difference between Emax and Zirconia. I found that Emax seemed to look more natural. They look more transparent and clear, and I preferred that look to the overall white look of Zirconia. So that's why I requested Emax. But I feel these look exactly how are the photos that I looked at that I wanted in Emax. I chose Elite Signature White HD, and that is what I have now. This is translucent. This looks exactly like the photos of Emax, which I've studied online, to look natural, as normal as my regular teeth as possible. I have been to Turkey many times, but not the hotel or not Antalya where we are, and it's been very lovely, very hot, very nice. The doctors and the dentist and the whole team have been really lovely, really kind. Everybody's been really welcoming, really nice to talk to, and just makes you feel at home, and that I can express my concerns without feeling worried to, if there's something that I didn't like or something that I would like done differently, I feel I can say that without feeling bad. I really don't feel any different to my normal teeth. So since having the crowns, I feel I can eat everything like normal, drink like normal, speak like normal. They feel normal in my mouth. They don't feel different to me at all. After the procedure, slight discomfort. By the evening, fine. I was eating dinner normal. This morning, breakfast, I've eaten everything absolutely fine. If I compare the composite bonding which I had previously to the crowns that I've had now, I do not feel any difference with eating or drinking, speaking. I don't feel any discomfort. I feel the composite bonding and the crowns, they feel the same in my mouth, but I know these will last longer and be more durable, and I won't be visiting the dentist every year because they're broken, because the composite was breaking very regularly. 3 times they broke in 3 years. So now I know my mum's had hers for 2 years and my dad, and no issues. So I would recommend you to all of my friends and family back at home in the UK because of how lovely all of the dentists have been, how perfect my teeth look now, how great the hotel was and the transfers, and everything's been perfect. Thank you, Dentares. Hey.